Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download your Cash application. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Cash app, firstly open your Play Store. In the search box, type in Cash App and make a search. You're going to see the Cash application displayed in the search result. Simply tap on the install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on the open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download a Cash app on your Android phone. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, go ahead and give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.